Hi guys.
We have different languages and cultures, but what we have in common is that we all want a dignified funeral and for our loved ones not to worry about money when the time comes. Trust Clientele to provide you with affordable funeral cover and will pay out within 24 hours. SMS Radio 2000 to 45538. That's Radio 2000 to 45538. SMS now. Clientele Life is a licensed life insurer and an authorized FSP. Standard rates, terms and conditions apply. Live the Ranger life with a Ford Ranger XL Super Cab from just $6,299 per month.
Yeah, going to the daisies.
Plus, with our Ford family promise,
I'm
you get
wearing
mobile
the same
service at your
shop
home
set
or
was
business
wearing
from participating dealers.
but just in the blue color. And yeah, it's the same thing. I am so lost. I am so lost. So I'm supposed to get off at the at-home entrance, but my driver doesn't know this entrance, and I also don't know this entrance. So ndilapha phakathi. So I'm gonna phakathi and try to find my way. Oh my god. Then I tin Lena. My tripod often go down, but I'm about to meet my friends. It's gonna be the first time seeing them. And it's late down, but it's fine. Kala 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 kaleli deyota kunini kala 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 kaleli deyota kunini kala 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 kaleli deyota. Guys, we just got here, and we did the tent. And can go. My back doesn't fit inside. You know that one later because after side level. Now we're gonna take a bath and be the next week. Where's my go? What's 30 minutes? You know you have 30 minutes? Because come on, why don't you put
You're rocking the daisies.
There is literally no way that I can vlog for you guys after. Like, I think I'm just gonna vlog Ekapa because go busy down, and yeah, just wanna enjoy. I came back to the tent just to rest, so that for an hour, because 11 go, so the rest of an hour and then go back to the concert because I really want to see Summer Walk. And Scott, look after this more when I catch you, because what do you mean you didn't pitch up for a gig? When I catch you guys, literally, and I'm mad down if Osama doesn't come. I'm literally gonna be mad. But again, I'm going to rest. I think I'm even thinking of taking out my makeup so that I'm the boy and we are level. And yes, it was bad because I'm so cold, so I'm gonna wear that gym set I wore go Ben Caesar, but I can't because my bag is locked in one of my friends' tent. Wow. Also, I didn't want to take it's orange, it's no longer white. The dust in here is crazy. It's crazy. I had only planned to wear slides. And there's no way I can wear slides in this dust. But yeah, see y'all way to Zanbona. I couldn't even do it get ready Nani because, and now what do you call this? Tripod. It's either I left it in the Uber or I left it at my mom's friend or the left airport. And yes, but they call it now and I left that big jacket that I was wearing, at airport at my mom's friend's house. Bombam guys, Bombam is literally a mess right now. And Jabodola down and from Jabodola. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manalisa and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So we are still in Cape Town. I didn't vlog work in the videos, I don't know why, because I guess I don't want to lie. I think they get a chance. I'm just enjoying And they go, I was thinking straight. But I'm like, I'm gonna take it out, my babes. I'm gonna take it out. So now we are going to what do you call this? Brunch because it's almost 1, and those also still getting ready. So we're gonna go out for brunch. And I just wanted to show you guys the outfit. I don't know how because I lost my tripod. I lost a tripod down to figure out makeup. Also, I haven't put my lip stuff because I'm just waiting for everyone to get done, and then I can finalize the lip stuff here. But let me show you guys how I look. I look so cute. I look so cute. I'm eating. Let's try. So this is in the bottom because Zoe Rose occupied. So I'm wearing with this yellow jean dress. It's white lower back and this white jean shoes. The dress is too see-through, but this is how we're looking on the shoes. I'm gonna do a proper one when we are leaving. I'm gonna do a proper one. Just make small groceries so that they make when I say grocery, salt and my car, and that's all.
Yakwenza esenhle kwi-vlog le nto esenhle. How does it taste? But that's the not doing it. Can you send the video to me? Yes! It was like an MC.
Let's look at the bag. A breakfast. I can't believe Bangkok is almost Silapa. Like this whole week, Silapa it's almost starting to come. Love it. And the worst part is this is my last day. Not to go. No. So yesterday we were here. I'm going there to get myself those sandals. I'm so excited. So the last time we spoke, I didn't speak to you guys really, but yeah, we were at breakfast. So I got to go home now. So I went home. I came to Cape Town for the bus. My box is ruined. What? Ooh, and I'm so mad. Let me try and fix it for you guys. So this is the shoes. This is the box. Hey, S7. Is this my size? These other shoes. These other shoes. Come on, lovey. I hope it fits me. Size man. 7 meter. They are small and they are, but these are the shoes. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please comment. Also, please do comment down below on which videos you would like to see up on this channel, so that I can do. I know I do all you guys get to know me tag. I'm still gonna do that, but please do suggest other videos you guys like to see. But this is the shoe. Love it down.